Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys aren't subscribed, I would truly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review, or I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this Revlon volumizing hair dryer. Now, if you guys haven't seen this on the internet, like where have you been? Because this is all over TikTok and on social media, and I just want to show you how I achieve this hair look. So if you guys don't want to see, just keep on watching. Okay, so you're just gonna start off with some damp hair. Like right now, the ends are still pretty wet. Top is just a little more damp, but that's how I like to start it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just comb through my hair, or brush through my hair. And then I'm gonna add in this leave-in conditioner by Way. I highly recommend it because it is also gonna help with like the temperature and stuff, or with like heat. And I just need to take some on my hand, and then I'm just gonna run it through the ends. Top, and just run it through. Next, I like to section up my hair, so I kind of just like to section it in two parts, like this. So I like to section my hair into two parts just like this, so that I can start the bottom and then we'll do the top, and then I'll show you like kind of what I do in the front. Okay, so after I section out my hair, I just take my Revlon heat tool. There are 3 settings to it. If you guys can see, there's like a high, what is it again? It's cool, low, and high. I usually do the low setting, but because I have really thick hair, I'll switch to the high setting just to get that better curl. And obviously cool is just better for your hair because of the heat. So what I like to do is, for the bottom layer, I like to take the brush and I run it like this, twist it at the end, and go out and back in, and like that. And I do that all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That's basically what I like to do for the first layer. Okay, so I finished the first layer, and as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. And that's how I like it, and it's completely dry. I'm actually pretty amazed with this because it dries my hair pretty fast. I also have the Dyson. Maybe I'll do like a Dyson versus Revlon. But yeah, it just looks like this, and it's super soft. And I noticed that I don't really have like frizzy hair after using this, so that is a plus. So now we're gonna go into the second layer. And what I like to do is actually keep a section that's right over here, like in front of my head, kind of like out the way as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take like a section. Let's do this. And I'll go ahead and part that from the second layer. Okay, so I sectioned it into 3. So I have the first layer, the second layer, and then I have the third one that just goes in front of my face. But for the second layer, I like to switch it up, and I actually like to go the opposite direction. I like to go away from my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a section and then put it on top, and then instead of going, you know how I go under here and go inward, we're gonna go on top and we're gonna do like an outward motion like this. And I love how it has this tip too. It doesn't get too hot, by the way. And you're gonna kind of like do the same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that all around. So now my hair is completely dry in the first and second layer, and as you can see, like there's a lot more volume. You can see this side goes kind of this way and this one goes inward. I just like to style it that way so there's more volume. And then the last thing I like to do is take that last section and literally, this is literally gonna make a look, but take the last section, you're just gonna comb it out. Oops. Look at that hair. It's like a pretty thick section too. I just have a lot of hair, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my tool. I'm gonna put it under, and then you're gonna wanna go towards your face, like an inward curl. And you can split it into like 2 sections if you want to, but yeah, or you can go ahead and split it this way and kind of like do that later. But let's go ahead and give this a try. So after blow drying the front section, you're just gonna put it back, and then you're just gonna let your hair fall into place. And this is really gonna create like that volume, like when I tell you, like, this is how I like to style my hair. Obviously you can go any direction you like while using this, but I find this the best way or best method to get the volume that I really want. But if you guys do have suggestions, leave it in the comments below. I did recently just get this as a gift, so I'm still trying to learn how to use it. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!